guys, welcome back to Chanella. Today I'm going to be showing you my squishy collection. Sadly, I don't have Ella here, but anyways, let's just get started with the video. So we're going to start off with the little squishies. The first squishy I have is this cute little squishy. On like slow rising rating, I don't really give it a 10 or anything. I give it like a 1 because it's not really slow rising. It's just like squishy, you know. And like as a cute squishy, 10 because it has those like little rosy cheeks and it looks so cute. Squishiness based on this, I would most likely give it like a 4. So moving on to the next squishy, I have this little ice cream cake thing. It's really cute. So on the scale of cuteness, obviously a 10. I got both of these squishies from Ella. Squishiness, 10, and slow risingness, 6, most likely. Alright, so moving on to the next squishy. I have this squishy. I got it from my sister Reese for my birthday. Squishiness, most likely like a 4 or 5. It's kind of hard because of the sprinkles, and the sprinkles like fall off. Slow rising, no, not really, but like I'll give it a 2. And then cuteness, yes, it's super cute. I give it like a 9 because it's got like these cute sprinkles, and it's like, I would so love this for breakfast and all. So the next squishy we have, I kind of ripped all the sprinkles off of it. It was a donut covered in sprinkles. So cuteness factor, I'll give it like a 6 because it's my fault. I ripped off the squishy sprinkles and stuff. Slow risingness stuff, probably a 7, and squishiness, 6. So the next squishy I have is this cute little narwhal. Cuteness factor, probably an 8. Really squishy and slow rising, so I'll give those like a 9. The next squishy I have from my sister Reese, it's the cute little cat squishy, cat cake, and it has little paw prints all over it, and the cat, it's got a little bow tie, so cuteness factor, a 1,000,000. I love it so much. And slow rising, a 1,000,000, and squishiness, a 1,000,000. This is like one of my favorite squishies because it's really squishy and cute and all that. So the next squishy I have is this tiny little mini ice cream. It's super cute, really squishy. So I'll give this one a whole lot of 10s out of all the squishy, slow risingness, and cuteness. The next squishy I have, I think would be like a Twinkie or something. I don't really know what it is, but it's really slow rising, as you guys can tell, and it's like covered with little things. I don't know what these are. It's just really cute, slow rising, and very squishy. Alright, so the next squishy I have is really cute, so I'll give it like a 9, and not really squishy, but really is slow rising. Alright, so I have 2 macaroons. One of them is really squishy and the other one not so much. This one is very slow rising, and I give it a 10 out of all the cuteness and stuff. So here's the squishier one, and then this is the non-squishy one. It's still kind of squishy, but not as squishy as like this one. So the next one I have is this little peanut, a pink peanut, and it's really cute. And it's like, I would give the cuteness like a 6 or 7. Squishiness, very squishy, so I'll give it like a 9. And then slow rising, 2. It's not very slow rising, but that's alright. So the next squishy I have is like this little bear. It's very cute, and I give it a 10 out of cuteness. Squishiness, more like a 3, I guess. And slow rising, 2-ish. Alright, so the next squishy I have is this little llama. It's really, really cute. I give it a 10 or like an 11. I'm going a little overboard, but it's really cute, as you guys can tell. Squishiness, like on 7, and slow rising 8. Alright, so the next squishy I have is like this little, I don't know if you would call this a dog on the top. I think I would call it a dog, maybe. Like a tiny puppy on a burger. And if I was this tiny puppy, I'd be eating the burger right now. And it's really cute. I would give it a 9 for cuteness. Squishiness, very squishy, slow rising, very slow rising. So like 10 for all of them. And then the next squishy I have is this little other narwhal. It's like this one, just tinier. And it's very slow rising, so I give it like a 9. And then the cuteness factor, kind of like a 7. It's got a little heart in the bottom and hearts on the top. And then squishiness, 6. Next, I have this really cute sundae, this strawberry, kind of like slowly melting into it, and little Hershey's chocolate syrup running all down the sides, and its little bowl, and it looks so cute. I could actually eat it. I wish I could, but I can't. Squishiness is like actually really good. It is a 10 for this one. Slow rising, not so much, but I'll give it a 7 because it's more slow rising than most of the squishies I have. So out of all these, like in all total, it would most likely be hitting in an 8 points range. The next squishy I have, very cute, not slow rising and not squishy. It kind of hurts your hand when you squish it. But the top is squishy, the bottom not so much because it's covered in sprinkles. Alright, the last squishy I have is a giant ice cream, which I was given to by someone. It has a cute little ice cream on top, and it's really cute, and then another ice cream on the bottom, and then the cone. And the little one, the like top one, has a bow, and the cuteness factor most likely like a 9 or something. The squishiness factor would be like a 7, and the slow rising like a 6. So the last squishy I have is this cute little bread. I got this from my sister, and I personally think this is the squishiest squishy I have. It's really cute, and I give it a 10 in that. And then squishing and slow rising, 10. So this is my all-time first favorite squishy I have. I like it a lot because it's like squishy and like cute. And you can like bring it with you everywhere, just like because it's really tiny and all. Anyways, so that's it for all of my squishies. They're all very cute, and I love them all much. So thank you for all the people who gave them to me. Make sure you guys comment what your favorite squishy was out of all of these, and make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Please no hate with the big thumbs down, because the big thumbs down makes me sad and I just don't like it. And make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you know when we post another video.